Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you my wedding cake recipe. How I prepared this wedding cake. Pretty easy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button to join this lovely family. Subscription is free so that if I post a new video, you will get an alert. This cake, I'll be showing all the videos, both the trimming, the correction, and stacking. So I know you will not love to mix any. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that if I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Feel free to share to your friends, and also feel free to ask questions. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients you need for this wedding cake. My flour, 2,200 grams, that's 2.2 kgs. Sugar, 1.5 kgs. Butter, 2 kgs. I have my golden syrup, 4 tablespoons. Vanilla, I'll be using 5 tablespoons. My baking powder, 5 tablespoons. Black charcoal, 8 tablespoons. I'll be using my Scotch butter, 5 tablespoons. This is lemon zeo, the back of the lemon, just scrape it. This is my nutmeg. I'll also be using at least 3 tablespoons. This is my cinnamon, 1 full tablespoon. This is my brownie. I will add to my taste, just drops. Cocoa powder, I'll be using 4 tablespoons. I have my fruit. I've soaked this fruit up to a month with alcohol. You can see the juice looking so nice. I'll divide it because I'm repeating this recipe again. I have my eggs, 40 pieces. I think this is all. That's all. Okay, let's start. In a big bowl, add your margarine or butter. Cream a little, you add in your sugar and continue creaming till it is looking pale. Wash your eggs and you start cracking them one after the other as you pour into your mixing bowl. Take your time to sieve your flour very well, and you're sieving your baking powder. I'm using 5 tablespoons of baking powder for this cake recipe. Take your time to sieve. Mix a little. Add in your nutmeg. Add your cinnamon. 1 tablespoon is okay. Take your time to mix very well. Now it's time to add our cocoa powder. I'm adding 4 tablespoons. Sieve it in. You mix. Mix everything very well and you set it aside. Like I said before, I'll be repeating exactly this recipe again. I'll be baking 2 times, so I'm dividing my fruits so that it will be okay for the next batch. Whisk your eggs a little and you start adding other liquid ingredients into your eggs. Right now I'm adding in my black charcoal, 8 tablespoons. Next one is golden syrup, 4 tablespoons. Butterscotch, 5 tablespoons. White vanilla flavor, 5 tablespoons. I'm adding alcohol, 4 tablespoons. Oh, I'm using 1-man squad for this. I'm adding my brownie, just few drops. Mix very well and set aside. It's time to mix everything together. You can see it's already looking powdered. Okay, now a little of the dry ingredients, a little of the wet ingredients, liquid ingredients, a little of liquid ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients, little at a time as you mix. Keep mixing little at a time. I'm adding in my lemon bark, sprinkle it a bit. This lemon bark or lemon zest serves as preservative. This is the first preservative I knew as a baker. Lastly, pour in your fruits. You combine everything together. Our cake batter is ready. Wow, you can see how lovely it's looking. It's like ice cream. Okay, cream your pan with butter and you dust with flour. Start sharing out your batter and get ready to bake. Well creamed and dusted. Take your time and you tap it on the table to close all air bubbles. Bake up to 30 minutes before you start checking your cake. After 45 minutes, my cake is ready. This cake is looking so yummy. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that any day I drop any video, you will get an alert. This cake will be decorating and stacking it in this channel, and I know you will not love to mix any of this video. Make sure to subscribe so that if I post, you will get an alert. Subscription is free. Thanks for watching.